Here's how to deactivate your Instagram account on Android. Now open up the Instagram app on your Android phone, Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy works the exact same. And from here, we need to get to your settings. So tap on your profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now that we're in the settings for your Instagram account, within the Account Center, you can choose to either temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. So let's tap on Account Center here and then Personal Details. Let's choose the account ownership and control and then deactivation or deletion. Of course, this is for Instagram, so let's tap on that. Now you'll be able to see at the very top, it defaults to the temporary deactivation of your account, which you'll be able to get back at any point. I'll show you how it works. Let's hit the continue button here, and then it will say basically it'll deactivate threads, and let's hit continue. Now, after you've done that, you can see it will ask you to autofill your password. So let me just autofill it and hit continue. And now it doesn't really matter what you choose here. You can sometimes just hit continue or something else. And now it says you're about to temporarily deactivate your account. Keep in mind, you can always get it back. To recover your account, all you need to do is log back into Instagram and everything will be as if you never left.